Hello and welcome to the first episode of our Python Made Easy series. In this episode, I'm essentially going to walk you through how to set up your Python environment, right? The tool that we'll use, the IDE, is Jupyter Notebook. So I'll walk you through how to set up Jupyter Notebook for your Python projects. And I'm going to also explore with you our file that we'll be working with throughout the series. So let's get straight into it. In order for you to use Python in your laptop, if you have no prior experience, you need an IDE, an interactive development environment. The one that we'll use in this episode or in this series is Jupyter Notebook. Let's utilize Jupyter Notebook. So the distribution company or distribution site that will gives us the Jupyter Notebook, or at least gives me the Jupyter Notebook that I use, is Anaconda, right? And how are we going to get Anaconda? Right, you simply go to your browser and search Anaconda distribution, like I did on my screen, Anaconda distribution, and search it. The first thing that comes up is basically what you want from www.anaconda.com. So you see download Anaconda distribution. And what you have to do is get started. Click on the get started. And you essentially have to put in your email. So what will happen is that they will send the link to get the file to your email. And from your email, you get the link. You obviously utilize the link, download the Anaconda distribution. Then you will get this screen. Now, this screen is where you see all the different environments that can be utilized for different programming languages, right, and different uses, right? When it comes to tech, this tech field is very vast. So you can see Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is essentially a combination of different notebooks. So any which one is the same IDE, is the same environment, essentially. So basically just click on launch your Jupyter Notebook and it's going to open it on your laptop's preferred browser. Just to wait a bit. It's gonna open up. Then this is how it will look like. Look how because you're hosting the Python IDE, that's Jupyter Notebook, from your laptop direct. Yeah, so this is the first page, the initial environment that you see. To basically start the process, you are going to go to new Python 3. And it will open a new page or a new tab in your browser with an automatic title. All right, and get to work here to basically confirm or write our first code. Confirm the environment is working, write our first code. This is called a comment. Let's just put what every code course does as our first code. Hello world. But I'm from an important place, so I'm just going to go in Suka. That's where I'm from. So this is a comment, so this doesn't really affect or take effect. This is what should print out. So we should get an output of hello from Suka. You can click on this play button. So this confirms that our kernel is working. The kernel is just essentially the Python language really functioning at the back end or through the back end. So this is our environment setup. The next video, we're going to get straight into the nitty-gritty. But let's take a look at our file. The file link will be found in the description below. The name of the file, Nigeria Card Customer Data. So this is essentially customer data from a store located obviously in Nigeria, short form Nigeria. The column headers are customer ID, age, gender, location, yada yada. So the age and gender and the likes are called customer demographics, but that's a story for different thing. Okay. So yeah, so it's not too clean. I can notice that. See here, Lagos is in short. This is supposed to be a state called Lagos. These two cells are supposed to show the same thing, but one is shown in short form. FCT is also Abuja. So some inconsistencies there. Also some missing cells in our age column. Yeah, unknown date here. So that it's not too clean. We're going to work on that. It's going to be an interesting process. Stay tuned so you won't miss out on the next episodes where we transform, analyze, we visualize, and many more. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on your thoughts, the content. Drop a comment on also what you want to see, what you thought we could improve, and things like that. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content.